On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about 5 ways to avoid probate without creating a trust. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 35 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am excited to be here with you again. It seems like I am here with you every day, and it's because I am. Because I'm crazy and I'm making 100 videos in 100 days. But yesterday I talked to you about the reasons why you might want to have a trust. One of those reasons, in my opinion, a very minor reason, is to avoid probate. So today, as promised, I wanted to give you 5 reasons or 5 ways you can avoid probate without having a trust. Because there are some ways that you can do that very easily and very simply. Just get right into them. The first way that you can do that is to take advantage of the beneficiary designations on all of your accounts. So life insurance, 401k, IRAs, retirement accounts, anything that has a beneficiary designation, if you designate someone to actually get that money, then it will go to them. It will avoid probate. Number 2, transfer on death designation with your bank account. It kind of works the same way. When you die, your person, whoever you designated, has to just bring your death certificate in, and the money will be transferred over to you, right? Kind of not fun to think about, but hey, that's what we got. That's what we do here. Number 3, similar to the other 2, is transfer on death deed. Okay, this covers real property, so your house, any other land that you might own. This a transfer on death deed basically instructs the title, not the title company, the register of deeds, to transfer the property over to you once, or to whoever you designate once that person passes away. Number 4. Now we're getting into tricky territory because I'm running out of reasons how to do this. If you are under under $100,000 in assets in Washington State, you can avoid probate pretty easily anyway with just some simple paperwork. It's probably something that you want to consult an attorney on, but Washington State's probate system itself is set up to easily avoid probate in general. And then the 5th and final way that you can avoid probate is to just try to give away as much of your stuff as you can before you pass away. So every year you can give away $14,000 to as many people as you want without having to pay any gift tax on that. There's no income tax on that. So as you begin to think about how you want to distribute your assets, you can consider doing some of that while you're still around. So you can see, A, how people use the assets. So if you want to give them more later, you'll know that they'll be used wisely. And B, so you can see how people enjoy what you give them, whether it's a trip, a car, whatever. So those are the 5 ways that you can avoid probate without having to create a trust. Like I said, one of the number 1 reasons you want to create a trust is not to avoid probate. It's really to create generational wealth and generational opportunity. So if you have more questions, you can always email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. You can always call 206-659-1512. If you have any other questions, you can leave a comment below. If this is on YouTube, you can do it there. If it's on our website, you can do it there. If it's on Facebook, you can do it there. Anywhere, you can basically leave a comment. I will see it, I will respond, and I appreciate your time, and I appreciate you. See ya.